Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to make this threadless pocket. The reason I'm calling it a threadless pocket is because you can see there's no thread showing on the outside. However, I use the thread definitely to sew it, but the thread is not showing on the outside. You can use this pocket for your suit or for your kaftans or whatever it is. Okay, so just stick with me if this is something you're interested in learning till the end of this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much if you've done that. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so these are the things I need. So the first thing, you need a cardboard paper. You can see the cardboard paper. I don't have a cardboard paper, so that's why I'm using this, the cover of one of my jotters. And so you need a fabric. You can see I've turned the fabric and I use hemming gum to gum it, and then I covered it with hairstay just to make it thick. And then on the other side of the fabric, the main fabric where the pocket will sit on, I gummed hairstay. If you've been following me, you know that all my kaftans I used to gum hairstay at the chest part just to improve the quality of the fabric. Okay, so these are the things I've done so far behind the scenes before the video started. So that's that. So on this part of the cardboard paper, so let's see the dimension of the cardboard paper. The dimension of the pocket is going to be 4.5 by 5.5, as you can see. So on the side, just to get that shape at the bottom, I'm going to mark 1 inch on this side and then 1 inch on this side as well. So I will get my slant. This is it. I've got my slant, so I'll just cut it out like this. So I've done the same thing on the other side, so I'll just go ahead and cut it as well. So this is how, and this is what we have right now. Okay, so whatever we'll be doing will be on around the shape, this shape of this pocket on that we just drafted on the cardboard paper. So I'm just going to carry my pen and just trace the shape of the cardboard paper over it. That's the main fabric. If you are doing it on your suit, you would have marked where your pocket is going to be. If you are doing your kaftan, the same thing, you would have marked where your pocket is going to be. Then you use this cardboard paper to just mark it over it. So that's that. You can see it. So I'll do the same thing, well, not exactly the same. I'll just use my scissors to just trim off the excess all around. You can see it. So what I'll do next is, if you are not so perfect, if you are not careful like I am, you can use it and just use needles, 1 or 2, to hold it together like this. But I'm just going to do it freehand. I'm not going to use the needle. I'm just going to show you how you can do to get a perfect result. So I'm just going to remove it and just use freehand to do it. So I'm just going to use my iron like this to just press it like this. So I'll just go ahead and do it on all the sides. So as you are doing it, you are just going to take your time. Just going to take your time, no rush. See? So if you don't take your time doing this part, it's going to just spoil the whole. Just do the same thing for the bottom, and this is it. This is it. So I'm just going to remove the cardboard paper and just press it one last time without the cardboard paper. So that's that. So this is what we have right now: the main fabric with the traced pocket, and then the main pocket like this. So that's all. Again guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please just do so. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please just subscribe. So remember, the pocket is 4.5 by 5.5. So I'm just going to get another fabric and cut in such a way that it will be 1 inch bigger than the main pocket on all sides like this. That's 6. It will be 6.5 by, no, it will be 6.5 by about 8.5 or 7.5, just 1 inch bigger than the main pocket on all sides. So this is it. So I'm just going to cut it 1 inch bigger on all sides like this. So that's all. So the next thing is we just go to the machine. But before I do so, I'm just going to tell you about this webinar, a free webinar I'm having on my WhatsApp channel. I'm going to leave the link to get to join this webinar in the description of this video. If you're interested in growing your online presence, you should be, in fact, interested, as long as you're a fashion designer. If not, you are going to be suffering yourself, making less money. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. So let's continue this tutorial. So I've gone to my machine, and you can see the main fabric, the fabric that I just cut now. I folded the top, and then this is the pocket. So just pay attention. This is where the main work starts. If you don't get it right now, everything will be wrong. Okay, so you're just going to put the place you ironed, the line that you created while ironing. So you're going to put it like this, and then you open it, and then you mark the tip right there. Just mark it exactly like that. My pen is not showing, but well I'm seeing it, but I'm sure you can't. So you're just going to reinforce at that edge, and then you sew it straight. Make sure you're confirming that you're still on track, and then you also stop here. And when you get to the end, that's where you reinforce to make the two ends tight. So that's that. So you just cut off your thread, and also the next thing you're going to do, you're just going to notch all the sharp edges. So this is one sharp edge, you notch it. See, this is the second sharp edge, you notch it. You notch here, you notch here, you notch here, and that's all. Make sure that your notching gets to the edge, and make sure it doesn't pass. If it passes, it's a problem. If it doesn't get to it, it's a problem. So make sure it gets to the edge. Get a good scissors. So the next thing you're going to do, like I said, this is the most important part. You're just going to place the edge like this, just like we did the first fabric. Put it the edge like this, and because you use the same pattern cardboard paper to get the line and the main pocket, they are going to match. So you're going to start sewing from here like this. You're making sure that the crease that the ironing made matches with the line. So you stop there, you turn, and you do the same place. You can see it. Make sure that they match. So you basically do the same thing for everything, every part, like this. So guys, like I said, make sure you join my webinar. It's going to be holding on the 15th of October this month. That's on a Sunday by 9 p.m. By then, every Sunday runs that you must have done, you would have been done by then. So you are at home resting. So you can join. So the next thing you do, you just push it down like this, arrange it like this, and then you close it. So the next thing is you just go to the machine. So just don't mind all these squeezed parts and all those parts. You see there's this part here that doesn't look well here and here. Don't worry, we are going to fix it, and you're going to see how to fix it. Just stick with me to the end. So the only part that is perfect is these three sharp edges, but we are going to fix these other parts. So you're just going to iron it like this. You turn it, and then you iron properly. Then you're going to carry your scissors and just trim off all the excess like this. Then you weave the sides. Of course, I believe you have a weaving machine. If you're a serious tailor, you weave all the sides. And then this is our pocket. We are almost at the final stage. This is our pocket. If you've gotten to this part, you've done like 90%. So this is the last part. So what we'll do now is we're just going to open it this way. You can see now we're going to fix this part. Like I told you, we are going to fix it, so no need to worry. So you are going to open it like this. You can see it's open somehow, so you are going to close it. So you are going to open it this way, and you're going to sew. Now what you are sewing is not the main line. If you check closely, you are going to see there is a crease that the iron created. That's the way you are going to sew. So you are going to sew to cover this place that was open, that was creating a dirty job for us. So you now turn it and you follow every side like this, and that will be it for this tutorial. So that's that. So if you watched up to this part, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for always watching till the end. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please just do so. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit it as a way to tell me thank you. And you can literally tell me thank you in the comment section. Just say thank you so much, Vinci. You are trying for us and all. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn your notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be the first to watch. Thank you so much, guys. So I'll be seeing you in my webinar on Sunday, and I'm going to leave the link in my WhatsApp channel where you can interact with me one-on-one. I'm going to leave the link in the description and also the link to my WhatsApp channel. See you in the webinar. Have a great day.